This is a waterproof and windproof, super warm and comfy, one-piece ski suit with removable faux fur hood trim, tons of pockets and zippers, and a detachable belt. I was sent this to review from Bluemagic, so let me show you a closer look as well as a waterproof test. It's got the nice chin protector at the top of the zipper. It comes all the way up to your chin, so it's really protecting your neck. Oh, look at this hood. It's a really nice silky faux fur. Not the like weird fake feeling one. It's like really nice. Oh my gosh, but that is detachable. It's just gonna snap off. Oh, that comes off so easily. Oh, it's so cute. Then this hood is not coming off, but that just shows you how you can wear it with or without the fur. Really great hood if you don't want that. But oh my gosh, I want that. Huh, so amazing. They sent me a large and I was like, large? I usually wear a small or medium, but actually it fits me perfect. For reference, I'm 5'8". So these sleeves are really long on me, which I love lengthwise. Also, really nice and long. It's gonna go great over boots. I like this little extra protection here on the inside of the ankles. And you do have this inner lining, which is elastic, so you could tuck that into your boots. Ski boots, snowboarding boots, rain boots, whatever. Tuck that in and then have this part go over. It does zip open for bigger boots and zip close for a snugger, straighter boot cut. Perfect. Oh my gosh, yes. This waistband is elastic. Then you can snap it in the middle. Pull it, pull it, pull it. To kind of cinch it in more, if that's what you want to do. Then yes, oh my gosh, you've got pockets on the front, nice and deep. No side pockets. I like that because you're not adding any bulk here. Nice and smooth on the derriere. You've got pocket on the inner left forearm, and then also on the forearms, these open up. The lining is there. Ooh, little thumb hook. So you can have it on like that. Also, it's gonna help you get gloves on. You have this on, latch it onto your thumb, put your gloves or mittens on, and then pull this over and zip it if it's gonna fit. Really amazing for layering, keeping the snow and the wind and cold out. Both of those are gonna have that zipper. You've also got zippers up here. This is also decently sized. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. Now, of course, we gotta go do a waterproof test because apparently this is waterproof. I'm gonna take off the fur for that, but I'm gonna test it out in the shower, so let's go. Completely dry under the hood. Completely dry. Woo. Oh my gosh, look at that. Completely dry. Oh. Amazing. No leakage, no soaking through, and it's so warm. This thing is amazing. Oh! If you want it to fit like really snug, like snow bunny kind of thing, then you may want to get regular size. But if you want it to be a little bit looser fitting and you can wear a sweater or sweatpants or thicker stuff underneath and layer and stuff, size up. If you are a skier, a snowboarder, a sledding with your kids, a shoveling your driveway, any of these kind of person who needs to be outdoors, stay warm, stay dry, this snowsuit is for you. I love it, and I know you will too.